Hello student, in previous video we have studied about the topic matter. In this video we will study about the topic state of matter. Before going to start this topic, we should know about intermolecular force of attraction and intermolecular space. Now, what is the intermolecular force of attraction? All substances are made up of molecules. The molecules of substance are held together by a force of attraction between them. This force is known as the intermolecular force of attraction. Now, second one, intermolecular space. Molecules of matter have a space between them which is called intermolecular space. A state of matter depends on the intermolecular force and the intermolecular space between the molecule. Now, matter exists in three different states, that is solid, liquid and gas. Now, topic solids. Arrangement of molecule in solid. In solid, the intermolecular force of attraction is stronger and intermolecular space between the molecule in solid is partially absent. And molecules are closely packed together. So, molecule in solid is hardly move about. So, they only vibrate. Now, second is liquid. The intermolecular force of attraction in liquid is not so strong as that in solids. So the intermolecular space in liquid is more than that in the solids and the molecules are less closely packed. The molecule in liquid can move from one position to another within the liquid. That is why liquid have the property of being able to flow. Now gases. The arrangement of molecule in gases. The molecular force of attraction is the weakest in the gases, so the intermolecular space in gases is largest in comparison to that in liquids and solids. As a result, the molecules in gases are very far apart and completely free to move around in the whole space available to them. Now we will discuss the topic properties of solid. First point is solids have a definite shape. We know that the molecule of solids are very tightly packed and cannot move about freely. So solids have the definite shape. For example, the wooden block do not change their shape. Now second point, solids have a definite volume. Solid have a definite volume. Suppose the wooden block take up the same amount of space whether it is kept on a table or on the floor. Third point is solid have a texture. Different solid feel different when you touch them, that is they have different texture. For example, wooden block is hard and smooth whereas wool is soft and rough. Now fourth point, solids have many free surface. We know that the in solid molecules are closely packed. They have the strong force of attraction. The molecule of solid do not leave their fixed position to move away from one another. So solid have the many free surfaces. Now fifth point, solids are incompressible. We know that the solid is hard and their intermolecular space are very least, so we can say it cannot be compressed because their molecules are closely packed. Now, property of liquid. Number 1, Liquids do not have a different shape but have the definite volume because in liquid the molecules are loosely packed. They are free to move around within the boundary of liquid of container. They take the shape of containers they are put in. Liquid takes up a definite amount of space in a container and hence they have the definite volume. Now this can be explained with the activity. When 100 ml of water poured into flat water flask, conical flask, beaker and measuring cylinder. But we observe that the volume of water in all these four containers is the same, that is the 100 ml, but each time water looked the shape of the container into which it was poured. By this activity we can say that the liquids have the definite volume but no definite shape. Now second topic, the liquids have a tendency to flow. We know that in liquid the molecules are loosely packed. So molecules are able to slide, slip and glide over one another due to the weak intermolecular force of attraction. So liquid generally flow. Now liquids cannot be compressed much. In liquid, we know that the intermolecular space are greater than the molecule of solid. So molecules are still quite close together. Therefore, liquid can be compressed so small extent. Liquids have a free surface. Liquids have only one free surface at the top. Now properties of gases. Gases have neither a definite shape nor definite volume because in gases intermolecular space is maximum and there is negligible intermolecular force of attraction. Thus gas take the shape and volume of the container they occupy. This can be explained with the help of activity. Take a different shape of balloon and inflate them with air. What we will observe? We observe that the air inside balloon takes the shape of balloon. It has no shape of its own. That is why the gases have no definite shape. They take the shape of the container they occupy. Now gases have maximum fluidity, means have the tendency to flow because molecule of gases move about freely, then they flow easily. Now next, gases are highly compressible. We know that the in gases between the molecules intermolecular space are maximum, so can easily compressed. Now gases have no free surface. In gases, their intermolecular force of attraction is negligible, so molecules in gases move very quickly in all directions. As a result of this random motion, gases do not have any free surface.